Hi and welcome to Afriost Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to disable your SSID network name from broadcasting. Open your internet browser. To access the router, enter the router's IP address in the search bar, 192.168.0.1. You may need to log into the router. Once logged in, on the main menu on the left-hand side, select Wi-Fi. Under the Wi-Fi section, select Basic Settings. On the main page, under Wi-Fi Network and Network Name, there is a Hide SSID option. Click this option to enable hiding the SSID. Then scroll down and click Apply. You have successfully disabled broadcasting your SSID as an available network.
Hi, John, CEO of Afriost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afriost.com.